and available online on Amazon, Myntra, and we are just giving for 500 rupees. All structs, sequence structs is for 500 and 700. Very nice patterns, elegant, black color, silver. We have different models in this. Blue one with the knot pattern. చాలా మంచి पैटर्न ఉంది. आपको कलर्स भी मिल जाएंगे, ब्लैक कलर्स, सिल्वर, पूरे सीक्वेंस पैटर्न है इसमें.
प्राइस
इसका प्राइस 500 रुपीज़ है. देखिए आप टैग, ये ट्रेंडी डिवा ब्रांड है इसका. क्लोजअप लाइए. एंड दिस इज अवेलेबल ऑफ 1400 ऑनलाइन एंड वी आर गिविंग जस्ट फॉर 500 रुपीज़.
ఓకే ఆన్లైన్ అయితే 1499.
All are original pieces and very good quality with minimum price.
ఓకే
Here also we have structs. This is black sequence. This is blue one.
ఓ ప్రైస్
500 rupees.
ఓకే
Just for 500 rupees. These are shown previously. Gray sequence. Pick anyone like 500 rupees.
ఓకే ఈ ఈ ర్యాక్లో ఉన్నవి ఏవైనా సరే 500.
This is Kaptan model.
500.
This is Kaptan model sequence top. Very elegant for party wear, beach wear. You can wear anywhere in the party.
500.
Yes. This is the red one. This is the gold sequence.
ఓకే
We have very good range and varieties. Different model. Each model will be different from other. This is tank top sequence from Trendy Diva brand. You can check the brand online as well. If you have any doubt, please check out the price online.
ఇలా రొటేట్ చేయండి. ఓకే 1299. ఇది వచ్చి ఇప్పుడు మీ షాప్లో అయితే 500.
500, right. 70 to 80% off. And this is another section of skirts, palazzo. This is from Just Wow brand, Trendy Diva brand. Sequence palazzo, plain palazzo, skirt. This is a sequence palazzo skirt from Trendy Diva brand. Only for 500 rupees.
Any
Skirt
palazzo?
also 500 rupees. Sequence also 500 rupees. Long also 500 rupees.
ఓకే వీటిలో ఏది అయినా
500 rupees.
ఓకే ఓకే
This is short skirt for 400 rupees.
ఓకే
And this is a different model, something unique, dhoti.
ధోతి
Yes, this is dhoti pattern. Only for 500 rupees.
500 rupees?
Yes,
ధోతి మోడల్ కూడా 500 రూపీస్.
yes. Palazzo, 500 rupees palazzo. We are like 99 to 999. Our rate is.
ఓకే
So we also have long gowns here. We have like small, medium, large. Size wise is their long gowns. So we'll start from small size. This is coat model, floral from Sasafaras brand, brown color. बहुत ही अच्छा कलर है with coat model. Attached रहेगा coat. Only for 600 rupees.
600 రూపీస్.
Yes. This is like from 600 to 999. So almost there are 600, 700. The range is between that.
ఓకే
This is off shoulder.
డిజైనర్
This
వేర్
is
లా ఉంది.
gown, long gown just for 800 rupees. Off shoulder. One
Off
side
shoulder.
off shoulder. Very elegant piece from Trendy Diva brand.
ट्रेंडी दीवा.
ట్రెండీ దీవా. ఓకే
This is the floral pattern. We also have color in this red, black, yellow, pink, and this is from Just Wow brand.
जस्ट वाओ.
This is the name is Just Wow, available on Amazon. for 1700-1800, and we are giving just for 700 rupees.
700 రూపీస్. అమెజాన్ వచ్చేసి 1700 ఉంది. ఓకే.
This is another pattern from Just Wow brand. Blue color. And the brand is Just Wow. You can check the tag.
Just wow.
Yes.
80% off.
ప్రైస్
700 rupees.
700.
This is a red cold shoulder long one piece with the knot on the side. Very nice pattern from Athena brand. This is the tag of that Athena brand. We are giving just for 700 rupees.
700 రూపీస్.
Yes. This is from the Plus brand just for 500 rupees.
500.
Yes, the long one piece is just for 500 rupees from Plus brand.
ప్లస్ బ్రాండ్.
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు మీడియం సైజ్ అండి.
Yes.
ఇందాక చూపించినవన్నీ స్మాల్ సైజ్ అండి.
Yes, this is the medium size.
ఓకే, ఇది మీడియం.
Medium
Medium
size
lo.
long one piece from which brand? Pamela brand. Only for 600 rupees.
షర్ట్ పోట్.
Yes, our shop name is Shirt Port Style Port. Both the name is the name of the shop.
ఓకే.
This is from the Pamela brand.
ఓకే.
This is another one piece long gown from Pamela.
వావ్.
You can check the tag and the brand is Pamela.
ఫెమెలా.
Yes, and the price is for 2199. It's here, and we are giving just for 800 rupees.
800 రూపీస్.
This is the maxi type gown. This is from Cover Story brand.
కవర్
The
స్టోరీ.
Cover Story brand, and the price is 4,000 rupees, and we are giving just for 700 rupees. This maxi.
700. ఓకే.
हाँ. अन्नू सोनी बिल बुक दे दो ऊपर से. This is from All About You by Deepika Padukone. The brand is endorsed by Deepika Padukone. This is All About You brand, and this is a side neck pattern, and just for 500 rupees.
500.
Yes.
Deepika Padukone
దీపికా పదుకనే బ్రాండ్.
brand.
This is a sleeveless pattern from Just Wow brand.
జస్ట్
For
వావ్.
700 rupees, long with the inner, very elegant, nice piece, just for 700. This is the medium section.
ఓకే.
Now moving
Ippu?
towards the large section.
Large.
Yes, this is the polka dot pattern, which is in trend now. Floor length plain downwards and upside polka dots from Just Wow brand, XL size.
ఓకే. ప్రైస్
700 rupees.
700.
All
This is for 500 rupees. Something beach wear.
బీచ్ వేర్.
Yes.
wow.
Goa. If you are planning for Goa party, just wear this.
సూపర్.
This is a sequence dhoti long gown.
ధోతి లాంగ్ గౌన్.
Yes.
ఓకే.
Sequence pattern. Very nice for party. 700.
700.
We also have colors in Just Wow brand. Just I showed you this floral one. We have blue color. This is the color.
కలర్స్ అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి.
Color, yes, colors are available for XL, double XL, triple XL. Till triple XL we have size.
ఓకే. ప్రైస్ సేమ్.
Yes, prices are same. Now coming towards the denim section. Pick any denim just for 500 rupees.
ఏ డెన్ ఈ ఇక్కడున్న వాటిలో ఏ డెనిమ్ తీసుకున్నా కూడా ఓన్లీ 500 రూపీస్.
We have very different varieties in denim, long, short, tone. Blazer model also we have.
500 ఇది 500.
This all the denim section is here, just for 500 rupees. We also have winter collection like this, which is of high range. Very thick. If you are planning for abroad, Kashmir, anywhere, so you can wear this just for 1000 rupees. This is very heavy and thick, and the fur inside.
చాలా హెవీ ఉంది.
Yes,
1000.
very nice.
యాక్చువల్గా దాని ప్రైస్ యాక్చువల్
it
ప్రైస్
will cost you around 4,000 to 5,000, and we are giving just for 1000 rupees.
ఓ
This is the another pattern, fur pattern. Inside fur is very heavy, nice, black color fur. So we all are sold out. Only few left. So please grab this as soon as possible.
ఓకే.